Hello friends, welcome to Target UPSC. Thank you for amazing response for the last video, and there have been many requests from students to continue with this ethics shorts. And to continue in this series, we would today present a small topic of aptitude, and there have been less questions on this topic in UPSC mains examination, and there's huge chance that you would get a question. To start with, first I would like all of you to First, I would like to request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our Telegram channel, and please share the video if you liked our initiative. We have uploaded many diagrams with respect to ethics on our Telegram channel, so please do follow it. To start with, aptitude means innate ability to learn something. It shows the candidate's future potential to acquire skills. So, if a candidate has a potential to become an civil servant, he should have certain basic potential, and this potential can be converted to skills if we give proper training to the individual. So being a civil servant, for being a civil servant, you should have four basic aptitudes. That these are physical aptitude, intellectual aptitude, moral aptitude, and emotional aptitude. And UPSC tries to check each of the aptitude at various stages of our examination, such as intellectual aptitude is checked in CSAT, in prelims examination, moral aptitude is checked through ethics paper, physical aptitude is checked through physical examination post interview, and emotional aptitude during interview. So all the four aptitudes are checked, and based on this four aptitudes, UPSC selects a candidate. UPSC sees the potential of this candidate for being a civil servant, and once they select candidate based on this potential, they train them. So aptitude plus training becomes skills. So in Labasana or in respective training academy, they skill the individual. So the candidate has the potential skills. Various committees have recommended that only skills or only aptitude is not important. The candidate should also have values. So the complete package of skills plus ethical values is together called as holistic competence. So you should know these two diagrams which you would see here. That is, first is the four types of aptitudes, that is physical aptitude, intellectual aptitude, moral aptitude, and emotional aptitude, which is checked in various stages of examination to select the best candidate in UPSC preparation. And the next is skills, and the next is aptitude plus trainings become skills, and skills plus values is equal to holistic competence. And why do civil servants should and why do we should have people with right aptitude in governance or in administration? So if we select proper students and candidates with right aptitude for for administration, we would have better administration. There would be efficient working, there would be better communication, we would have innovative solution to the problems, and he would be able to adapt to the situation as soon as possible. He would be able to work in crunch resources. So selecting the right candidate for right job is very much important for administration, because it is a specialized job. So aptitude, checking the aptitude of the candidate is much more important. So if you take an example, if we had put A.R. Rahman into cricket, he would not have excelled it, because his aptitude was towards music, and Sachin Tendulkar would not have performed better in music because his aptitude was towards cricket. So selecting the right candidate for right job is the main purpose of looking at the aptitude of the students. So make sure you use this concept of aptitude while writing your answers, and you should know about the concept of holistic competence, that a candidate should have both the skills and values. Initially, UPSC or government was focused only on skills, but now through ethics paper, they are also checking the moral aptitude of the students and trying to select students with holistic competence. Hope you like this lecture and you use this concept in your preparation.